Buckingham.
If you're like most in the trade, staying in compliance with Osha regulations is important, but no easy task, especially when new updates roll out, like Osha's new fall protection regulations released mid-2014. While ensuring you're in compliance might seem difficult, for Buckingham Manufacturing, it's something we're used to, so don't worry, we've got you covered. Effective April 1st, 2015, Osha requires that all employees climbing a wood pole must use fall protection anytime they're higher than 4 feet. This means free climbing is no longer acceptable. To meet this requirement, Buckingham developed the Super Squeeze. The Buckingham Super Squeeze is a wood pole fall restriction device designed to meet OSHA's specifications by squeezing the pole in the event of a gaff out. Available with variable lengths of the inner strap or rope, the Super Squeeze is ideal for distribution or transmission size wood or laminate poles. D-ring connection points can also be interchanged with locking snap hooks or carabiners, depending on the user's preference. Also effective April 1st, 2015, OSHA requires that work positioning systems be rigged so that an employee can't freefall any more than 2 feet. To meet this requirement, Buckingham developed the Buck Adjuster and Buck Superstrap work positioning lanyards to help workers maneuver safely around obstructions such as cross arms and insulators when working in elevated positions. These easy-to-adjust lanyards all feature a red warning core and can be ordered in different lengths. The Buck Adjuster also comes optional with a protective super fabric sleeve designed to resist wear. This versatile fabric sleeve is ideal for use on wood poles, towers, or ladders. When using modern wood pole fall restriction systems, a comfortable, quality body belt is always a must. This can save significant wear and tear on your body after a long day. To find the belt that's right for you, choose from a variety of fully padded 2 or 4 D-ring body belts with ultra-soft leather. If you already own a 2 D-ring belt, you can easily make it a 4 D-ring belt with an add-on gut strap for increased comfort while climbing. At Buckingham Manufacturing, we know finding the right equipment to comply with OSHA can be challenging. If you have any further questions regarding OSHA compliance and Buckingham products, give us a call at 607-773-2400 or visit our website, buckinghammfg.com.